This is Karen Ranzi of Feel Fabulous with Food. My question for you is, are you binge eating on a daily basis? I've learned, because I used to binge on cheddar cheese and cheese doodles, that was my big thing, but I've learned that you can completely eliminate binge eating with the correct action plan. So I want to talk about that right now. I want to make sure that you never binge eat again. So I want to start with giving you some tips. Tip number 1 about binge eating is that our body needs nutrition. So if you're just eating empty food all day, your body is going to crave nutrients, and it's going to make you want to eat, and you are going to just go for whatever food there is. So the first thing is that you want to start eliminating fake food, and that is the processed packaged stuff that's made in a factory that has little to no nutrition at all. Number 2 is believing in yourself. Believing that you are not all about food, that you have so much more to offer. And also getting support. Gail came to me with serious emotional eating habits. She was eating on processed food and animal food all day, and there were no signs of stopping. And this is what Gail has to say after getting the guidance and support that she needed to change to healthier foods and what they did for her.
I started working with Karen Ranzi for 2 reasons. I was overweight and I was eating emotionally, and I was looking for someone to help me transition to a vegan diet because I knew that that was really going to be a game changer for my life. And Karen was amazing in helping me with both things. In terms of transitioning to vegan, she made it so much fun. She sent me such exciting recipes. Every week I got these new recipes, and the food was so good, I forgot that I ever wasn't vegan. It was really amazing. It wasn't hard at all. And then the hardest part for me was the emotional, and Karen was so there for me and nurturing and listened to me and supportive and gave me tools and validated me. And all of a sudden I started to need food less and less and less. It's now been, well over a year that I've worked with her, and I've maintained everything she taught me, and I live it, and I'm so grateful.
The third part is understanding the connection of processed food creation. It's a science. There are people who are hired specifically to market to you, and even to market to teenagers and young kids. So at a very early age, we are getting these commercial marketing ads on a daily basis. You go to the store, and what do you see up by the register? All of this junk food that is going to make you want to binge on it. So just having this awareness is the important first step of completely taking away the binge eating. So starting with what you know and understand about how you are being marketed to. If this information is helpful to you in understanding why you may be binge eating, then I'd like to tell you a bit more about my Women's Health Club. And I am currently offering a 7-day free trial for you to see all of the different ways that women are stopping binge eating, losing weight, healing their thyroid, gaining energy, and making connection with a community of women who are wanting to thrive in today's world. Check out the information in the description below, and I'll see you on the next video.